topic of this video: can anybody be a broker? Or is that only limited to a certain few? Can anybody be a broker? My answer is yes. But not everybody's willing to put in the work, invest in themselves in any type of training where they're weak, to get better at any weak point. Because I mean, let's face it, being a broker requires being a great salesperson, and that's probably the most challenging and what separates a broker from a dispatcher and from a carrier. Because brokers, they are the ones with the loads, they are the ones making relationships with the shippers to then pass down to the carrier. So do I think anybody can become a freight broker? Well, you know, everything that you're capable of doing right now, you weren't just born with it, right? You had to learn, you had to maybe practice, maybe repeat it, and as long as you didn't quit, you figured it out. So this isn't any different. I invested in a sales program when I became a freight broker. I didn't have $1,000, but I invested $1,000 anyway. And you better believe I made sure I was taking that training seriously and putting in the work. There's a reason why not everybody wants to be a freight broker. It's not really, not everyone can be a freight broker. It's more, not everybody wants to put in the work required to be a freight broker. Because, you know, is rejection fun? Is that easy to continue the job after you're getting hung up on, saying no all the time? So not everybody has what it takes to hear that and keep going and keep being excited about being a freight broker, earning more business after they're getting rejected all the time, okay? Right? Does that make sense? But if you are willing to invest in yourself in any type of training program, whether it's a sales program, whether it's even a broker training program that we obviously offer at Freight Broker Mastery, then anybody could be a freight broker if you're willing to do what it takes to become one. All right, I'm Alex Cassidy. Please subscribe.